I'm Chris Pflanz. I'm the VP of Product at SmartWitness. We're here at the MWC 2019 in Los Angeles, and I'll walk you through some of our connected LTE IoT dash cameras. So we have a display here with our three core product categories. We have a dash camera design, which is an all-in-one solution. This is the CP2 LTE. This is certified on AT&T and Verizon currently. Inside the CP2 LTE, we have an integrated LTE modem, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, microphone, a 6-axis accelerometer, and we can record up to 128 gigabytes of video and driving data. The CP2 also allows for an optional driver-facing camera. Here we have the DDC200, which is a driver-facing camera for recording, as well as a driver state monitoring lens, which detects fatigue and distraction events. So if a driver is falling asleep while driving a long over-the-road route, monitoring eyelids, facial movements. If any part of the face or head is outside of the zone, or if the eyelids are closed or not on the road for a set amount of time, we set an alert to wake up the driver or notify them that they are being distracted, and simultaneously can upload a video and a notice of that event for coaching and drive behavior modification at a later time. Next device we have here is a CRX. The CRX is a 8-channel mobile DVR with optional Wi-Fi or LTE connectivity. Just like the CP2, we have built-in GPS, microphone, 6-axis accelerometer, and up to 1 terabyte solid-state storage. 8 cameras are popular configuration for more surveillance-type recording, as you see in buses, charter, anything public transit. So CRX is for larger, more enterprise type solution that way. Last device product category we have here is kind of a hybrid between the CP2 and the CRX. It's a mini 4-channel connected recorder. CP4 has an integrated LTE modem, GPS, microphone, 6-axis accelerometer, 128 gig storage, and an optional LCD monitor. So the CP4 is great for vehicles that need 360-degree recording. It has a very small footprint, as you can see. You can mount it almost anywhere. And various camera options for side view, rear view, cargo views, driver views, and of course, road view. CP4 is certified for Verizon, Sprint, and AT&T currently. And all three product categories are integrated with Smart API. So these devices will connect over cellular network, go to our Smart API cloud-hosted server, which we decrypt, parse, and disseminate this video. And we've integrated with up to 40 telematics applications. So you'll see SmartWitness Video in a wide variety of GPS tracking and telematics softwares through our very large partner list. So that's the gist of our hardware platform. SmartWitness has a lot to offer in the way of integrating with our devices very easily. So this is video telematics, and SmartWitness is a way to open up a window into your existing fleet.